Guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn notifications, and give me a huge thumbs up. So I'm actually not gonna do any lip balm videos anymore, or like squishy videos or slime videos. I'm gonna be doing fidget videos, just because I really like them, and I'm gonna be making homemade fidgets. First, I'm gonna be making this one. It's like really cool. It's just that all you need is, what are they called? Let's see. Pipe cleaners. And you'd need some beads and any colored popsicle stick. So, and then you can also, oh my gosh, they're behind you guys. Where's it? Okay, where did they go? Aiden, do you know where they went? No. I just made, oh, here they are. Okay, so, there's this you can make. All you need for this is some paper clips, and like I said, beads. And then lastly, you can have this. It's a bike chain. It's how to make a bike chain. And how you make this is you need these things that they open. They open up here though, and then all you need is some of these too. Again, like every single one I bought, I'm doing right now is like it. And then you'll need these for another one and a marble. Or something like really round. Just it has to be like round. Can be a little bumpy, but yeah, let's get on to the video now. So first I'm going to be doing the, this one. It's really easy. So I'm going to pick pink. Pink. And just one thing to tell you guys. If you don't have colorful ones of these, that is fine. And if you don't have these, that is fine. You can just use straws. And with your scissors, you can cut them into like this little. And yeah, like they can be a little bigger. But yeah. Oh, this is one of my poopy straw things. Okay. So yeah, you're going to be needing one of these. I chose color pink. And then, the other thing you'll need is to open this up right here a little bit. And then choose any color beads you want. And put them on this, like through here. Here, let me show you guys. Okay. Put this, take this thing, then like put it through there, and then slide it down over up here if you want. Like then you can have just more things. Like you can have more of like these. You can have more of them. But yeah, you choose any color. You can do like different colors with it. But I'm just recommending like one color because I don't want to do like two colors right now. But yeah, I'm gonna be putting them on. I'm putting tons on. I've only put two on though because I'm not gonna put them like all the way up here. But the more you have, the more like tingly it sounds. What the heck are you doing, Aiden? Show them. We just went to the dollar store to buy all of these stuff. So yeah, you guys can go to the dollar store. One fact. Say hi, Aiden.
Oh, no way.
Oh my gosh. Sorry, guys. He's kind of crazy. Oh, but it's really funny. He's like a Luigi. Like he said. Or Mario, I don't know. Mario has a red nose, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Oh. I didn't know that. Okay. now I'm gonna like start doing a little bit of yellow.
No, I mean I'm Rudolph.
Oh, okay. With glasses, Rudolph the Red-Nosed glasses. The Rudolph the Red-Nosed glasses. Okay. After you put all the colors on you want, gosh, you're gonna want to like, you know this thing you pulled out. You're gonna want to put it on there. See how we squeezed it? And then, okay, then you're gonna wanna, then there's your fidget. You're not gonna wanna do something again. Okay, so yeah, I've only made 2. I've made straw ones because I just went to the Dollar Store like 30 minutes ago. Okay, so now we are gonna be making, oh, and this sounds good, doesn't it? That's why it's like a fidget. Okay. Next, we're going to be making this one. I don't care what colors I use this time. Just this one, I wanted to go like color themed. Okay. So I'm going to be using a yellow pipe cleaner.
Aiden. She's doing a video,
Stop
baby.
it.
She's doing a video.
Thank you. Okay. Which color do I want? I'm choosing a orange pipe cleaner and a yellow popsicle stick, I think it's called. And if you have like a really, really long pipe cleaner, then just cut it a little bit. Okay, this is where it went. Maybe I need to clip it a little more. Don't cut it as much as me because it might not work out. So, yeah. Okay. What you're going to want to do is put this right here. Like, wrap it around a little bit. Gosh, that was hard. Okay. Then you're going to want to do it on the other side, too. Okay. So, let's wrap that around again. Then put this up like that. Then wrap it round again. Like that. Oh, whoopsie. I messed up. While you're watching this, don't do like the first thing on this one, what I did, but you can do like the scissor cutting because that's what you're supposed to do. But don't do like wrapping this around first. And you have to put like beads on. These beads. Or if you want, you can just put, cut straws. Like I said, this big. Just like the other ones. So I messed up, like I said. And I'm just going to be doing yellow ones.
See the back a little bit so you can see everything.
My camera?
Yeah. You can see your stuff in the camera. Your beautiful face.
Whoops. Okay. I think that's, no, they still can't see all this stuff. But, okay. Now just put them like on the pipe cleaner. Oh, and while doing this, if you're watching the video, you can just make a bracelet if you want to with the pipe cleaners, but you won't have to cut it up. Only if it's like your hand's too tiny. Oh, and you can also make a necklace. You just have to like attach them, like spin it like that, and then it'll work. Oh, I got pink. Okay. I think that's as much as I want to do because the last one I added it like a little too much and it didn't work as good, but it still worked good. Please stop, Aiden. Okay, now like I said, for rewinding the video, if you rewind it, this might be a long video because I'm just going to be making fidgets, and making fidgets takes a long time. Okay. Now, there we have it. Wrapped it around on both sides like that. And then, fidget. But I'll need my mom's help for the second one.
How's it?
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna be making the bike chain one. Okay, I'll pause it. Okay, so you open it up like this. I already put beads on though. This one will be closed. You don't need beads though, but it's funner and prettier if you do. Okay, then you'll have it like that around. Okay, I need help again. Okay, and then you basically close it. It's really hard, so that's why I paused the video because my mom had to help me. I might make a couple more, and if I can, I think I'll be right back. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. This is a copy of what we're going to be doing. So I told you you'd need something really round for this one. And that is a marble what I got. And what you can do with this when you're done making it, you can literally just go like that or something. It's fun and easy. And up here you can just roll the ball. Like, roll it.
Oh, Aiden, did you call Joey back?
Joey called me. I didn't answer because I was making this video. Okay, let me take off the rubber band.
Mommy,
What?
you changed your picture?
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So you'll need any kind of rubber band. Okay. You'll need a rubber band. Let me open this thing. You'll need clips and any circle-ish thing. Like really circle-ish. Okay. So grab one of your clips, like I did. Then what you're going to want to do is open it a little like that. Gosh. Okay.
Sorry.
Oh my gosh, Mommy. Okay. Pull it up like that. Put this marble in your thing, like up here. Then you're going to want to grab the rubber band. My stretchy rubber band.
Yeah, that's why I wanted to call you.
Okay. So, after you do this, there's your thing. Put it down, put it up, put it anywhere you want. But the only thing is what you have to do is drill it and have fun. Okay. So what I've made so far is good.
Oh, Joey, I have a surprise game for you.
Sorry, my brother's on the phone with his friend Joey.
Yeah, I have a surprise for you.
Oh my gosh. Okay. So I've already made this much stuff in only 14 minutes and 6 seconds. Wow. Okay. Next one, what should I do? Ooh. I know I'll have to wreck this, but just take the marble out. Okay. You're gonna want these clips, but I just got pink ones. Okay. Now you're gonna wanna grab one of those clips.
Joey, this
That.
is so glitchy.
Okay. And after you grab that thing, you want to put this there, inside there. And you can either do this one or this one. This one's more easy, and it's funner, actually. It's really funner. I really want to get this off, but I can't because it's so I can make a fidget. No, it's hard. Okay, I was just asking my mom if I could do it, but she said it wouldn't be able to do that.
It's too high.
Now it's roll. Can also roll like this one. And this one's even easier because just use clips and a marble or something really round. Okay. Which one do I want to do now? There is any other fidgets I could make. I have a good idea. Clean this up over here. I can show you all of my fidgets, like that I have it. I didn't make myself, cause that'll be easier. Here's a clip from there. Okay. Yeah, I'll be showing you my fidgets. Be right back again. I know I'm wiggling the table a lot, but. Okay.
Jerry, do you see my homework? Monday I get this big.
Guys, I'm back. That's a random thing. You guys already saw a fidget, so maybe I'll just show that one first, or second, or third, or fourth. I don't know. Okay. I bet fidget people watching this know all of these are, of course, because they're fidget people. So this is what like the straw ones look like. You do the same thing, just cut straws. And this is the silver ones. I told you, like, you don't have to use rainbow colors like I did. So they basically don't really show a difference. See? They're basically the same. They're like the same. It's fine. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you some of my fidgets too. I bought this from the dollar store. Like, I have to fix it, but I don't want to break it yet because I'm scared. I'm scared I won't know how to fix it again. But I'll still play with it a lot. Okay, but first one. A water timer. I've had this because I got it from my friend, but I've only had it for like 5 or 6 days. I don't know. This video might be long. It might be like 20 minutes or something. I don't know. 30. Yeah. Water timer, go down. Okay. Well, yeah. So this is one. It's like satisfying. You just watch it go down. Okay. Let's just keep that sitting there. Okay, next one. It's kind of like a wacky track, but not a wacky track. Okay, you can make it like any shape. Look, not a circle. Definitely not a circle. Yeah. Oh gosh. Okay, well yeah, this is, I don't know what it's called. You can get it at Walmart for $5. Okay, next one. Gosh, I think I just broke it. Never mind, I did not break it. Okay, next one. Guess we'll just put that there like it was. This is what happened. It's the cutting this. Next one. Which one do I want to show? That one's last. I guess this. Some people have them, and they are actually fidgets. You squish them, and it's really fun. Tons of people do. Wait. Did you just hear that? Okay. Well, this is what they do. And they are Like, they are actually, oh my gosh, it's been 20 minutes. Okay, but they are fidgets. Moving on to the next one. They are fidgets. Next one, let me look in this box. Slime. Slime is a fidget. Oh, and if I know tons of people have slime and like squishies, those are fidgets, but kind of boring fidgets. They're really boring. But I love this slime. It doesn't dry out because literally if you get this cloud slime, it's really good. I don't know where my mom got it. I got it for Christmas out of like this thing. I don't know. It looks like a lollipop, but yeah. Okay, next one. I'm gonna do my pea popper. Ugh. Okay. It's really cute when you pop it out. You can get these on Amazon. You can also get this, the water timer, but not the homemade stuff. You can also get these. There's red, green, and blue, and black. The black's kind of ugly because it's just black and white. But yeah, let's bebop her face. Focus camera. Not focusing, but yeah. Okay. Next one, what's it called? Marble and mesh. Okay, so it's a green marble and mesh. There is literally a marble inside. Yeah. And I really love it. It's like one of my go-tos for marble and mesh. I recommend you buying it.
Echo, turn on gazebo lights.
It's not even that dark though. Sorry. Good work. Okay, but next one I'll show my stress ball. I don't know, stress ball. Thank you. Okay, stress ball. See how it's blue? Green. It changes the color. Look. Now it's green. It's actually lighter than it shows. That is weird. Okay, but it's green. Next, I have this, and it's from Fred Meyer. This is from Amazon online. My friend gave it to me because she has a lot of like fidgets. She does not have a YouTube channel, but okay. So this is a squishy banana, sand inside. See? Can someone be quiet real quick?
I want to play that thing.
So they can hear it.
Ow.
Okay. Next, let me put these all back in my fidget box. Now let's put this and the glitter around. See, that's what it looks like. Okay, good. I thought it would be showing my bottom. I have this homemade one. It's a homemade globble. It's kind of bad because this one I just got it and I like had to practice. Not that. Oh, I have this. Everyone calls it the remote control slapper or something. I don't know. But it is a fidget. Because like these ones, you know how I'm just doing these ones right here? That's because these ones don't make noises. Look. Okay, well next side, I have this thing. And then there's just this circling thing. You just circle your hand around and it's kind of fun. Then my favorite one. It's kind of it's annoying. I have a slap bracelet. It just kind of sounds like it can be one. See? Last of mine. Pop it. Okay. This is what it sounds like. Ugh. Ready, guys?
Yes, so much weird.
Guys, can you please be quiet for a minute? Aiden, you too? Mommy! Okay, this is the noise.
I always do the secret cave.
I'm gonna end this video. It's been really long. So bye. Oh, and I definitely recommend Pop It. Bye. See you next time.
Underwater.
Peace out.